the middle of Midtown Manhattan, and we're about to visit the Lowell Hotel, which is legendary. We're going into their Jack Bar, and we're going to be meeting with a great mixologist that's going to show us how to make some delicious drinks using the Bayou Reserve rum.
So usually when people make espresso martini, they use regular vodka. Here we're using a specific Bayou Reserve rum. So we put 2 ounces of Bayou Reserve rum, half ounces of cream de cacao, 1/4 ounces of simple syrup, and 1 shot of espresso. Then we shake it really to give a little flavor. And just gonna garnish it with 3 coffee beans. Voila.
I get the woodiness and the sweet flavors of the dried fruit in the end, which is really nice. You get that coffee flavor in the beginning, and then as you swallow it down, what comes through your nose is more of that fruit, that plum, that smokiness of the wood. It's delicious.
Bayou's rum, old-fashioned. So first we make orange peels with a brandy cherry, and we put a dash of bitters, orange bitters, a dash of regular bitters, a dash of simple syrup. We're not gonna muddle the orange and the cherries, because when you muddle that, it kills the liquor. So we're just gonna, let it sit by itself. We put a little ice, and we add 2 ounces of Bayou Rum Reserve. And there you have it. This is your beautiful old-fashioned Bayou Rum Reserve. This drink is very fruity for those who like fruity cocktails. A rum punch made with Bayou Reserve rum, 1/4 ounces of pineapple juice, 1/4 ounces of orange juice, ounces of lemon juice, just to cut the sweetness of everything. You're gonna add a little 4 ounces of pomegranate juice, 2 ounces of Bayou Reserve rum, just a drop of grenadine, shake it very well.
So he just taught me how to make this drink, which it incorporates some fresh pineapple juice, some fresh orange juice, some grenadine, some fresh lime juice, and of course that delicious Bayou Reserve rum.
Hot butter rum, and we're using this fall spice butter, and it's made with cinnamon, nutmeg, and we're gonna add a little hot water. I'm just gonna dissolve the butter. This is a very winter drink. It's good for those who's not feeling well, and it's the same version as a hot toddy, but in a better way. So we're just gonna add 2 ounces of American Bayou Reserve rum, 3 scoops of fresh whipped cream. Just gonna add a little bit of ground nutmeg, just to give that fall spice.
Oh, that's delicious. And I can really get those cinnamon notes, flavors in there. That's really nice and warm. I would love this next to a beautiful fire. You know, it really brings out the cinnamon in the Bayou Reserve rum.
This rum is outstanding. I mean, listen, New York City has too many restaurants, but I would recommend every time you go somewhere and you want to have a rum, ask if they have Bayou rum. And if they don't have it, make sure they have it next time you come back. This rum is
Exceptional.
It's exceptional. It's really, really, really good.
We had so much fun here today. Thank you so much, Hassan, for teaching me how to make some delicious drinks with this Bayou Reserve rum.
You are more than welcome. It's my pleasure. The bar is called a Jacques Bar. It's inside a French restaurant called Majora Restaurant. It's the best place to have a drink. Before dinner, after dinner, to have a business meeting or whatever you want to call it. And we have beautiful, beautiful cocktails, and this bar is happening big time. Big time. So it's the best place in town.